Research has shown that roadside crashes are on the rise due to driver inattention and distracted driving. Every day, thousands of semi-trucks are carrying critical supplies and materials across our highways, and driving on the highway today is full of danger. This is especially true for semi-truck drivers when they need to stop or rest on the side of the highway. The patented SafetySock is a visual disruptor, attracts the attention of passing drivers, and is an easy-to-use piece of safety equipment. Placed on the outside mirrors of a semi-truck, the SafetySock increases the visibility of semi-trucks on the side of the highway by using the highest quality industry-standard reflective materials. Use a SafetySock. Easy to store, easy to use, easy to remove. Every trucker needs a SafetySock. Be seen, be safe with SafetySock, the first step in trucker safety. Visit www.safetysock.com to learn more about SafetySock.